So on this day, 10 years ago, Bafana Bafana captain Senzo Meyiwa was murdered at the home of his girlfriend, singer Kelly Khumalo, in Vosloorus. Meyiwa was shot in what witnesses have described as a robbery gone wrong. Well, in 2025, men were arrested in connection with the crime, and their trial has been dragging since. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi has been closely following that case, and he joins us live from Vosloorus, where Meyiwa was shot. Hard to believe that 10 years has passed and very little justice has been seen for the Meyiwa family at this point. Linda.
Indeed, Naledi, and what happened 10 years ago inside this home behind me remains really a mystery, and we're yet to get answers or even get a judgment on whether or not the court believes the state's case in that particular trial. But just like you mentioned, on this day 10 years ago, in the early evening of the 26th of October 2014, Senzo Meyiwa's car was parked just here inside the yard. In fact, this was the then Khumalo home where he had been visiting his girlfriend. He had came, in fact, with his then girlfriend, singer Kelly Khumalo. What happened between the hours of 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock till this day, Naledi, nobody really knows. And according to investigations and what we're hearing in court, there were intruders who entered the house demanding money and cell phones. We've heard from a number of witnesses. One of the witnesses said they were parked on the streets here, and what she saw on that particular day were people who ran out of the Khumalo home and ran towards, I'm going to ask my colleague to just pan, ran towards that park that you see there on my left. She described to the court some of the people who had dreadlocks and others, and one of them who had who was wearing, in fact, a hoodie. But we've since know through other witnesses that they did indeed hear gunshots, and one of those witnesses is one of the neighbors who described how inside the house what he heard was a loud bang, Naledi, and he came out with his father, and he then came across what we now know to be Senzo Meyiwa's friend, who in fact told them that there were people who were attacking them inside that house. Subsequently, we hear that there were confession statements that were deposed by two of the accused, and there they implicate singer Kelly Khumalo, who allegedly ordered the hit. Although, Naledi, we must remember that confession statements can only be used in court against those who depose them and not those that they mention. They allegedly detail how this alleged hit, as they put it, was ordered by the then singer Kelly Khumalo, or in fact the then girlfriend rather of Senzo Meyiwa, Kelly Khumalo. Let's take a listen to what the lead investigator, Brigadier Bongani Gininda, told the court about the alleged involvement of singer Kelly Khumalo.
That she is linked to the actual perpetrators of this murder by means of cell phone linkages. These linkages connect her to accused 3 and 5. It was further discovered that through cell phone analysis, her cell phone memory album has the same photo of a see-through bag containing cash, notes, and in the exact position or location or spot of that of accused number 3. There is no reasonable explanation as to why Kelly Khumalo will be in contact telephonically with the headman or killers of a boyfriend and share the same picture of a bag full of money.
That's Brigadier Bongani Gininda, the lead investigator who's currently on the stand. He was talking there during the trial, within a trial, Naledi. But what he tells the court is that, or what the court has heard, is that before the alleged intruders came to the Khumalo home, they first started at the Basotho hostel. It is a hostel that is not far from here. So in the next hour, we'll be coming to you live from the Basotho hostel.